Hello, I'm Ghobad, Head of Aerodynamics in Qlayers. At Qlayers, our mission is to bring sustainability into industrial coating processes. My work is focused around spray modeling and aerodynamic design.
We use various scientific and engineering approaches to design, optimize, and improve our products and technologies. One of the advanced tools that we implement is Computational Fluid Dynamic, or in short, CFD modeling. CFD modelings are usually faster and cheaper than experimental methods, but a proper knowledge is required to correctly transfer the physical problem into the computational domain. By implementing CFD modeling, we can acquire detailed knowledge about complex flow field in our patented hood technology. To better explain the complexity of this process, a spray is a random process, and imagine you want to control it. Then you will be dealing with a multi-physics problem that embodies various physical phenomena of a spray that are interacting with each other. Our R&D department analyzes the result of this simulation to further enhance and optimize the hood performance and design. This has a huge impact on prevention of overspray during the coating process, making it more environmentally friendly.